Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker. I rise to ask question 202 of 2015 under my name. The question is forwarded to the Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts. The question reads, can the Minister explain to the House what are the Ministry's plans for expanding early childhood education in Fiji? Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker.
Thank you, and I call upon the Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts.
Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker. Honourable Deputy Speaker, if you look at the Constitution, Section 31, which says that every person should have the right to have early childhood education. Honourable Deputy Speaker, this was the Constitution, along with the manifesto. With our party leader, we presented to the people of Fiji that you accept this as a package deal or you reject us. Honourable Deputy Speaker, this package deal was accepted by the people of Fiji. This Constitution, thousands of copies of this Constitution was distributed to the people of Fiji.
That's what we hear.
We want to clarify this and allay the doubt in the minds of members from the other side. Thousands of copies of this pocket Constitution were distributed to the people of Fiji. Our manifesto and our leader saying, package deal, accept it or reject it. Here we are, part of that side, full of this side. Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Let me now answer this question.
Point of order.
Let me now answer this question.
Point of order.
Point of order.
Point of order. Point of order.
On relevancy, Honourable Deputy Speaker, his speech must be relevant. Can he please stop showing off? Thank you,
Honourable Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts.
Honourable
Deputy
Speaker, prior to the announcement of the budget last December by the Honourable Finance Minister, we had 940 ECE centres registered. Immediately after the announcement, this number raised to 1,008. Honourable Deputy Speaker, now we have got 764 formally registered ECE centres. Honourable Deputy Speaker, this is more than our primary schools, which is 730. Honourable Deputy Speaker, we have decided to give that particular ECE centres a profile like we do for our secondary and primary section. What we have done this year is we have established a smaller section, which we want over a 4-year period of time to have a section on its own. But we have established a senior education officer curriculum for ECE, along with the 2 other officers that we have, another senior education officer administration, we used to be there, along with a 8G officer. In addition to that, Honourable Deputy Speaker, we have appointed 4 ECE advisors in the districts so that they will go and inspect the schools and advise. For the West, we have got 1. For Eastern, we have 1. For Northern, we have 1, and Central, we have 1. This additional that we have started this year. Honourable Deputy Speaker, what we intend to do, we have made an announcement that we have got 730 primary schools. Out of these 730 primary schools, 322 do not have an ECE centre. They have got class 1. So what we have made an announcement is by 2017, we want all those primary schools to have an ECE centre, and we will assist them. Honourable Deputy Speaker, that's our plan. Our plan is to recognize the importance of ECE centres. Honourable Deputy Speaker, it's not only about preparing them for year 1, it's also about identifying any deficiencies they may have at an early stage so that we can give them specialised attention. Honourable Deputy Speaker, we want to give that profile to ECE that never used to be before, like we used to give to primary and secondary. Now ECE is an important component of the overall education process. Thank you.
Thank you. Supplementary question, Honourable Leo.
Honourable Deputy Speaker, just a question to the Honourable Minister for Education. He was talking about counselling and revamping the early childhood centres. But the issue here, Honourable Deputy Speaker, is the implementers of this program. I'm talking about the teachers. how is he going to incentivize or give them the salary that is needed for them to carry out a task that is going to take place in the Ministry of Education? Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
Thank you. I call upon the Honourable Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts.
Honourable Deputy Speaker, I want to thank the Honourable Member for asking that supplementary question. Honourable Deputy Speaker, these teachers are paid a salary by the Ministry given to the ECE Centre, which is now deposited in their account. Honourable Deputy Speaker, we have received numerous... Honourable Deputy Speaker, it's a salary. Honourable Deputy Speaker, we have received complaints that some of the managers are not passing on to that particular salary to the teachers. So what we are now doing is we are doing a direct deposit to the teacher's account. Now, there's a misinformation, Honourable Deputy Speaker, about the amount, the quantum of salary. Honourable Deputy Speaker, you'll note that these are they work for 4 days, 4 hours a day. So it's a half-day work. That's why the salary is low. Of course, we all want to give them much higher salary. Everyone wants a higher salary. That will happen, but over time. You cannot do it overnight. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. I will call upon Honourable Nambulivo for your supplementary question.
Honourable Deputy Speaker, I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for Education for a progressive move in the Ministry. I would like to ask the question to the Minister for Education. How much money was allocated before for the schools and how much now? And how many schools benefited last year and how many now? Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker.
Thank you, the Honourable Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts.
Honourable Deputy Speaker, I want to thank my colleague for asking that question, Honourable Nabuligo. Prior to this year, last year, only 25 schools were assisted for 150,000. This year, following approval of this year's budget, 456 schools are benefiting with a grant of 1.4 million. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. The supplementary question to Honourable Ngabok.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Excuse me. Deputy Speaker, that manifesto and the Constitution, given that the deficit this year is forecast to be $354 million, and they couldn't sell state assets worth $500 million, and deficit exceeding about $800 million and almost $1 billion, can they afford all these promises they're making, Deputy Speaker? Because to me, that manifesto is like a fraud on the people of Fiji, because it's...
Honourable Deputy Speaker, that's a finance question. I'm asking through you, the Honourable Member, to wait till the budget is announced, and that day he can ask that question to the Finance Minister. Thank you. Thank you.
For them to be here.
And for them to be here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.